In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make images move in CapCut PC version. But before getting started, if you're new to this channel, please leave us a like or a subscribe. I really appreciate that. And let's get started. You just need to drag your image to the timeline. Then make sure you're using the video on the basics options. And once the video start, you just need every time you want to make a move, you just need to click at the keyframe, this diamond icon right here. I want when the video start the images is small. I'm going to small it, then press keyframe, then the timeline is going, skip some seconds, then after 1 second and 30 millisecond, I want the video the image to get more bigger. It's automatic. I will get keyframe right here. Then after that I want it to move to the left. After some seconds I want it to move to the right. Then make it bigger as possible, like that. Yes. So let's see how it looks. Bigger, left, right, and big. And that's it, guys. That's how you can make images move in CapCut.